Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. Today is 20th of March. So guys, as we discussed yesterday, okay, and predicted that today we will be expecting a bounce in Nifty, which will be a relief rally, okay, and our analysis was exactly to the mark, okay. सो जो भी हमने कल एनालिसिस किया था गाइस कि मैंने प्रेडिक्ट किया था कि ऑलमोस्ट 23,300 के आसपास मार्केट आएगा ओके रिलीफ प्राइस रहेंगी ओके बिकॉज 23,000 इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट लेवल ओके एग्जैक्टली मार्केट आज वहीं से रिवर्स किया है ओके मार्केट रिवर्स एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम दैट लेवल and as discussed yesterday okay if market hit 23,350 okay I will deploy double candle strategy okay अगर मार्केट 23,350 पे हिट करेगा देन आई विल डिप्लॉय द डबल कैंडल स्ट्रेटजी ऐसा हमने कल डिस्कस किया था ओके अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं और आपने ये वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो मैं कल का वीडियो टैग कर दूंगा ओके प्लीज गो अहेड एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो okay so let's quickly start with our analysis for today okay all right so जैसे कि हमने देखा था guys and as predicted today will be a relief day because market is falling since Monday okay even my short position was also there in the market okay and I will not take a risk to carry forward the short position to Monday so of course I will book the profit and if I wanted to take a new position I will further move it away okay further far position I will take and that's what happened and that's why we can see today market was in green ठीक है मार्केट आज ग्रीन पे था ताकि वीकेंड आ रहा है गाइस एंड किसी को भी शॉर्ट पोजीशन कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने की रिस्क नहीं लेंगे ड्यूरिंग द वर्क कंडीशन इफ दे वांटेड टू डू इट दे विल deploy some combined strategy okay so that's why we found that today market was in green okay and another thing which we discussed yesterday guys okay जो हमने कल और डिस्कस किया था IT okay TCS Infosys they will be positive because our rupee depreciated to more than 93 rupees okay $1 equal to more than 93 rupees so inherently that will give advantage to the export oriented company okay for example TCS then we have Dr. Reddy's lab okay so these companies will gain as rupee falls okay so analysis was up to the mark and that's what I utilized today okay so I think but let's not be taken away with this relief rally guys okay if you would have seen today early morning market okay before going to office you have seen everything is green okay सब कुछ green है मैं portfolio green जा रहा है but by the time you are reaching back to home you have seen again your portfolio dipping away because second half में I think Nifty gave away that gains and ultimately ended in 23,114 okay so it went as high as 20,350 okay but what happened in the second half again news came in that Iran Israel war has escalated and Iran has retaliated that by hitting to oil infra in the Middle East so due to which again spiked oil prices spiked which lead to this drop in our Nifty okay all right, so let's quickly go ahead and check the global indicator. So this I have taken just 15 minutes ago, I think almost around 8:45 p.m. As you can see, Dow Jones is trading negative. Okay, gold is also trading negative. I will create a separate video. मैं separate video बनाऊंगा gold war time में भी negative क्यों है and why it can be a good opportunity for guys like us to accumulate a gold to hedge the our portfolio. Okay so Brent crude oil is hovering around $110 okay gift nifty it has broken its level of 23,000 okay I will not be fooled by gift nifty okay because mostly weekend pay market manipulate bhi hota hai guys okay and 23,000 is a very strong support so I will not I will not carry ahead this thought process that market will open negative okay on Monday so Monday I think let's wait up and see how the market will be okay and not good thing for us USD INR is 93.756 so overall it will create a pressure on Indian market but good for IT so I think TCS Infosys now this will be a good hedge position because EI तो आ गया है, okay, but that doesn't necessarily means that the existing contract will start getting cancelled right away. Okay, so contract which is being made in IT segments, okay, those are multi-year contracts. Okay, so revenue तो आते रहेगा. Okay, it's only about a new business acquisition. So in the wartime scenario, I think then TCS Infosys now it will be a good bet in terms of recovery because as our rupee falls, IT companies and all the experimented companies they will gain. Okay, so nonetheless, moving ahead, so ICICI Bank ADR is trading negative, then HDFC Bank ADR trading negative. As we can see, Infosys ADR is trading positive. Okay, so overall, I think Monday I'm expecting 23K to be a strong support level. Let's go ahead and quickly check in our chart. Okay. ओके हियर वी आर ऑन द निफ्टी 50 चार्ट. ओके, सो जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया था गाइस. ओके, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग बाउंस बैक टू अराउंड 23,300. ओके, विच इज दिस लेवल. सो एग्जैक्टली यही लेवल से मार्केट ने वापस डाउन साइड गया है यहाँ पे. ओके, विच इज अराउंड 23,000 and I still see 23,000 is a very strong support. Okay, but if it breaks then we will be seeing 22,800. ओके, सो हमको 22,800 हमको एक्सपेक्ट करना है गाइज. अगर क्रूड ऑयल प्राइसेस गोज अबव 110, INR is still above 93 on Monday morning. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. Let's see if any positive development happens over the weekend. Okay, so going to the bank nifty. Okay, so bank nifty also I think it's trading around 53,400. Okay, and if it sustains this level we are good. If not, then next lower level I'm expecting is around 52,000. Okay, and this can only happen if the war related situation further degrades. Okay, अगर war related issues resolve नहीं होते जल्दी तो we can further see down towards 52,000 of bank nifty. Okay, अगर relief rally आना ही है इस केस में, so it should decisively break 54,000. Then only I can think of making any bullish position. Okay, which will be worth considering. But until as it breaks 54,000, my view will be bearish only. Okay. All right. So let's move ahead. So open interest. So open interest, like I mentioned, okay, 23,000 is a pretty good and strong support, which I'm expecting. PCR is around 0.78. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है guys, it can happen that it will bounce back again to around 23,300 and from there it will break down to around 22,800. Okay, if war continues. Okay, but I'm very positive that over the weekend there will be some positive development because since LNG supply and crude oil is being impacted, even US needs to intervene now in terms of controlling the energy prices. Okay, so I'm hoping that some of the good news will come in over the weekend and that will act as a cushion for our market. Okay, but so far based upon the open interest, we can see that 23,000 is a good support level for market. Okay, all right, let's quickly move ahead. FI and DI data. So FI DI data, nothing new over here. Okay, so it's still FIs are selling. What is interesting over here is that DI has increased their buying. Okay, I think it's exceeded the FIS selling, and that's why we also saw some of the short covering rally today. All right. So moving ahead, so this position, okay, what was that? So this was my position yesterday, Bank Nifty, which is 2,637, and I mentioned that I will wait for it to hit around 3%. So I booked a profit around 3,256 today. It was around 4K, but I think I was not able to exit properly. I think some issue with my automation, due to which I think it exited around 3,256. Okay, but okay, so like we discussed yesterday, जैसे मैंने कल डिस्कस किया था, okay, 23,000 काफी strong support level है, so there will be a big tussle between bear and bull. ओके, बियर और बुल में काफी टसल रहेंगे जिसकी वजह से इट विल बिकम अ आइडियल सिनारियो टू डिप्लॉय द डबल कैलेंडर जो मैंने डिप्लॉय किया है यहाँ पे. ओके, आप देख सकते हैं मैं डबल कैंडल डिप्लॉय किया ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 2 लाख कैपिटल एंड वी आर ऑलरेडी सिटिंग ऑन द प्रॉफिट ऑफ अराउंड 3600 666 so which is roughly 1.8% of the deployed capital. Okay, so nonetheless I think I have carry forwarded this on Monday because मैं Monday को भी expect कर रहा हूँ कि market will be range bound between 22,200 to 23,800 और मुझे वीकेंड का भी डीके मिलेगा. Okay, so what I'm trying to say over here that since I was expecting a big tussle at around 23,000 level, okay, being critical level, so this was the ideal scenario to deploy the double calendar, okay, over the weekend so that I can gain the decay out of it. So one of the factor which I always foresee over here, let's say I have deployed double candor when market hit around 23,300, okay, and by the end of the day I should be in positive. Okay, at the end of the day I should be in positive. Okay, अगर मैंने डिप्लॉय किया है मैंने डबल कैंडल फॉर द वीकेंड डीके गाइस, तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ कि फ्राइडे एंड ऑफ द डे मेरा जो प्रॉफिट है वो थोड़ा तो पॉजिटिव में रहे. तो इससे ये पता चलता है ओके दैट आई विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग अ डीके ओवर द वीकेंड. इफ़ आई वुड हैव बीन नेगेटिव लेकिन मार्केट काफ़ी वोलेटाइल है तो मैंने ये जो कैलेंडर की पोजीशन है डबल कैलेंडर की पोजीशन है ओके मैंने ये कैरी फॉरवर्ड नहीं किया होता. Okay, so it requires a lot of practice guys. Okay, and it's pretty safe strategy, that's why I'm openly sharing as well. Okay, it's very common strategy as well, and I'm expecting a huge decay on Monday. Okay, so just to give you more insight, so this is what we discussed yesterday. हमने कल ये डिस्कस किया था. हम देख सकते हैं रेंज काफ़ी वाइड है यहाँ पे. ओके और यही रेंज में मार्केट अगर मंडे को ओपन होता है तो वी विल बी गेनिंग गुड डीके ओवर हियर एंड दिस वाज आवर पोजीशन, द सेम पोजीशन व्हिच आई हैड डिप्लॉयड. ओके, सो जस्ट टू गिव यू द पर्सपेक्टिव कि मंडे को क्या पोजीशन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं और कितना डीके मिल सकता है, आई विल टेक यू टू द सेंसिबल एंड लेट्स quickly discuss on that maybe for another 2-3 minutes. Okay, okay, so here I am guys. Okay, on sensible और ये मेरी strategy deployed है यहाँ पे. Okay, and this is bank nifty strategy which I closed and this is another strategy which I deployed. So I will not go into bank nifty strategy because the risky strategy guys जो which comes with more practice. So this strategy I'm okay to discuss because it's much more easy and it's very difficult to lose money in this. Okay, इसमें काफ़ी difficult है या अगर आपने strategy कहीं पे भी लगा दिया इसमें काफ़ी huge chunk of money lose करना काफ़ी difficult है इस strategy में. Okay, so double candle strategy में अगर आप देखोगे जो हमने यहाँ पे बनाया है. Okay, so you can see that probability of profit is around 77% over here and range you can see guys. Okay, हम यहाँ पे range almost -5% से +5% है. Okay, so it's a huge range और margin use जो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे guys. Okay, margin used is around 1.91 lakhs, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 2 लाख रुपए हमने यूज़ किए हैं. हम ऑलरेडी 3,600 के प्रॉफिट में बैठे हुए हैं. ओके, एंड यू कैन सी ओवर हियर so almost around 2% profit. Okay, so let's assume that market opens around 23,900. Okay, 22,900 on Monday. Okay, Monday, and let's say at around 9:30 a.m. Okay, so in that case also, okay, in that case also I will be sitting on profit of around 5,500, almost around 3%. Okay, so 3% profit within span of 3 days. Okay, not bad guys, not bad. Okay, so this is something which I mostly deployed on weekend. ये जो strategy guys मैं हमेशा weekend पे deploy करता हूँ. Okay, I know to gain the DK, but एक ही condition है. Okay, Friday को let's say मैं DK यहाँ पे deploy किया. Okay, let's say around 11 a.m. Okay, based upon the target which I'm deciding. So at around 3 p.m. okay, I should be in profit. अगर मैं लॉस में हूँ 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, okay, I will simply book the loss and I will exit the position. अगर मैं प्रॉफिट में हूँ, लेट्स से 1000 प्रॉफिट में हूँ या 2000 प्रॉफिट में हूँ, ओके, देन दिस मीन्स दैट आई विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग डीके ओवर द वीकेंड, और मंडे ओपनिंग में मुझे क्विक प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा एंड आई विल एग्जिट द strategy. Okay, so this is how I am trying to divide my strategy on two front. One is a weekend strategy, second one is a weekly strategy. Okay, weekly strategy, I think it's very risky, that's why I'm not sharing it, but I think down the line I will definitely try to share it after making it safe. Okay, so at the end of the day, guys, I am just an IT guy sharing how I manage my part-time trading. So please do your own analysis. If you learn something about how to hedge for the weekend using candle spread, please hit that subscribe button and see you on the Monday. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.